Hello everyone, so if you want to force restart your iPhone 12 Pro, sometimes it can happen, your phone can freeze or start lagging. So what you are to do, you are quickly press and release your volume up button, your volume down button, and then you're to press and hold your side button, your power off button. So let's do this. Volume up, volume down, and hold our power off button. We've got our power off menu summoned, however, ignore it. We're not doing it right now. Now, when your screen goes dark, simply release the finger. And basically that's it. That's how you turn off your iPhone and how you do your force restart. Now, to turn it back again, hold your power off button. You'll see this Apple logo. It means it's working and it's loading up. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.